Why do supercomputers have to be so big?
My name is Lauren Michael, and I'm a research computing facilitator at UW-Madison's Center for High Throughput Computing. We provide computing resources to researchers all over campus, and my job is to help them make sense of how to do that really well. We need supercomputers because scientists are doing really awesome stuff that requires lots of computing time. And for some of this work, if we weren't using supercomputing to break up the task and make it faster, it would take years, decades sometimes, to complete some of this work. So by putting hundreds of computing processors working on this together, you can divide the effective time that it takes to do a big calculation by hundreds. Or if you have thousands of processors, you divide that time by thousands. So there are actually sort of mixed opinions in the computer world about what supercomputing is and isn't. But the thing they have in common is that in supercomputing, the idea is that you're breaking up a really big task that computers can carry out among many separate processors, and even many different computers that might each have multiple processors. There are sort of two ways to do this. If your computational problem can be broken up into many independent tasks, we call that high throughput computing, and we're actually sort of leaders in high throughput computing at UW-Madison. But another way is if there's a task that can't be broken up into many separate pieces, you can still have a set of computers all share the load by working together simultaneously. So an example is, say, a galaxy simulation, where there are multiple time steps in that simulation that have to be calculated. And to speed it all up, you, within each time step, might split up the calculation of different star positions between multiple processors on multiple computers. I am surprised constantly at the range of research that can benefit from computing. We have researchers from the physical sciences and engineering, where sort of traditional users of large-scale computing, and for decades they've been using computing in their own programming to tackle problems. But we work with researchers in the social sciences, in psychology, economics, in the humanities, and history, who are also beginning to see, as a community, the benefits of computing.